So this is the Lunar Lander game for a Raspberry Pi Pico with a GeekPi development board. The program's written in Python, and the goal of it is to show off the graphics display and some of the features of the GeekPi board. So here I've got a joystick input. This applies thrust to your little rocket, and I want to land at this spot. So I'm going to push it to the right, and then up to slow it down. This is slightly different than the arcade game where you had finite fuel. In this game you have unlimited fuel. But the point is to show off that you've got pretty good graphics. Analog inputs, you can do animation with the GeekPi board. And when I hit the ground, game's over. Hit at 5.7 meters per second, and I missed my target by 15 meters. New game. That's the Lunar Lander game on a Raspberry Pi Pico.